British slangs.
It's raining heavily.
It's chucking it down.
I'm very hungry.
I'm absolutely starving.
That's easy.
That's a doddle.
That's nonsense.
That's bollocks.
He's angry.
He's fuming.
She's attractive.
She's fit.
That's annoying.
That's doing my head in.
I don't believe it.
I can't believe me eyes.
That's strange.
That's a bit balmy.
You're joking.
You're having a laugh.
I'm tired.
I'm knackered.
He's my friend.
He's my mate.
Be quiet.
Pipe down.
Go away.
Bugger off.
Let's go.
Let's leg it.
Be careful.
Mind yourself.
That's excellent.
That's brilliant.